Have you ever faced a door slammed shut in your face only to find it was the best thing that could have happened to you? Well, today we're diving deep into the art of turning the tables on rejection, inspired by none other than the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius. Imagine you're in a world where every no doesn't push you down, but propels you forward. Rejection, a word that often brings a sting, can become your stepping stone to greatness. It's not about tricking fate, but understanding that sometimes the universe's no is a hidden yes to something greater. So, are you feeling overlooked, ignored, or undervalued? It's time to flip the script. In this video, we'll unpack 13 powerful lessons that teach you to harness the power of rejection. We're not just talking theory. These are practical, real-world strategies that you can apply in your daily life. Before we jump in, let's make sure this wisdom reaches as many as possible. Hit that like button and ring the notification bell. It tells YouTube you're finding value in what we're sharing. Now, let's get started on this transformative journey together, ready to turn your rejections into your greatest victories. Ignore them when life hands you the cold shoulder of indifference. Don't shrink back, rise above it. Ignoring those who ignore you isn't petty. It's a powerful statement of your self-worth. Imagine this. Someone decides you're not worth their time. That's their loss, not yours. By choosing not to engage, you're saying, I am worth more. It's like turning a mirror towards them, silently reflecting their behavior and showing them you're unaffected. Focus on your life, your goals, and your happiness. Dive into activities that enrich you, reading, sports, learning a new skill, or just enjoying the company of those who value you. This isn't about getting back at someone. It's about reclaiming your energy and investing it where it matters. Build a fortress of self-respect and let their indifference bounce off it. Don't react emotionally. Rejection can sting, making you want to react, to let your emotions run wild. But here's a secret weapon from the Stoic playbook: calmness. Instead of letting frustration or sadness take over, embrace a composed, thoughtful response. Breathe. Reflect on why this moment isn't defining you. It's just that, a moment. Stoicism teaches us to focus on our actions and responses, not others' behavior. By staying polite and kind, you demonstrate strength and resilience. Remove them from your mind. Harness the art of detachment. Start by acknowledging the rejection, feeling its impact, but don't let it anchor your thoughts. Use the waves of rejection to steer you forward. Dive into enriching activities, cultivate a circle of positivity, and surround yourself with those who uplift you. Rejection is an invitation to rediscover and reinvent yourself, leading you toward a more fulfilling path. Demonstrate your value. Rejection isn't the end. It's a chance to prove your resilience. Channel the energy into constructive action. Remember, when one door closes, another opens. Cut off contact. Silence is a powerful tool. By embracing silence, you're not playing games. You're regaining your power. Reflect, recalibrate, and refocus on what truly matters. Prove them wrong. Use rejection as fuel for growth. Quietly build a fortress of competence and self-assurance. Transform others' doubts into a deeper understanding of your capabilities. Go out and have fun. Deliberately seek joy as a counter to rejection. Explore new hobbies, reconnect with your passions, and step outside your comfort zone. Each experience adds layers to your character. Build your social status. Focus on self-enhancement and community involvement. Engage in activities that strengthen and fulfill you while building meaningful relationships. Act as if they don't exist. Respect your own peace. Redirect your attention to those who value your presence. Focus on healthier interactions and opportunities. Give them the silent treatment. Silence, rooted in self-reflection, helps you preserve your inner peace. Reflect on your values and respond with emotional mastery. Don't beg for attention. Anchor yourself in your self-worth and independence. Build a life that fulfills you, independent of others' approval. Be kind, but emotionally distant. Respond with kindness while maintaining emotional boundaries. Protect your inner peace by choosing maturity and grace. Don't reveal your struggle. Maintain composure and inner stability. Continue with your life with confidence, reflecting strength and resilience. We've journeyed together through the twists and turns of reverse psychology, uncovering 13 powerful lessons on transforming rejection into a tool for success. Remember, each no you face is a stepping stone to resilience, a lesson in Stoicism, teaching us to channel our inner strength. Now, I challenge you to apply these insights in your daily life. Embrace rejection not as a setback, but as a catalyst for growth and self-discovery. I'm eager to hear your stories of triumph, so hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and drop a comment below. Share your journey, your victories, and even your struggles. If you're at a loss for words, just type "strength in adversity" to show you've made it through our session. Your interaction fuels this community, guiding us toward wisdom, understanding, and, above all, the art of turning every challenge into an opportunity. Here's to mastering the art of Stoic resilience together. Stay stoic. And don't forget to follow my channel for more insights that inspire growth, strength, and transformation. Together, we'll keep turning challenges into opportunities.